Hello everyone, welcome to IACE. In this video, I'm going to tell you about IACE's new online platform which was released as a big announcement on April 25th by our chairman. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to enter this platform, how to log in with your credentials, what are the various features that are newly added, how to attempt an exam, how to submit and check your results, what are the different analytics helpful for your progress provided here. First, open your web browser, that may be Chrome or Safari or Microsoft Edge or Opera or Firefox. Type the URL examprep.iace.co.in in the search bar and press enter key. Then you will be directed to IACE login portal for the new platform. Now you have to enter the login ID and password you received in your mail and press enter key. Then you will be directed to the home page of new IACE platform. On the left side of this page, you can see various features of this platform: My Tests, Reports, Bookmarks, Documents, Notifications, Mobile apps. First, we shall see My Test option. If you click on it, 4 features are visible at the top of this page: Active, Upcoming, Missed, and Completed. Coming to the active part, if you click on it, you can see all the available active exams you can attempt. Coming to the upcoming section, if you click on it, you can see the upcoming exams to be released in the coming days with a date. After that time, those exams will be moved to active section. Coming to the missed part, there are a few time-sensitive exams conducted by IACE like BLD, breakfast, lunch and dinner exams, statewide mock tests, etc. If you miss those exams, you can find them here. Coming to the completed section, all the exams you have already attempted will be moved here with all the relevant report analytics. Also, on the top right corner, you can see profile and logout options. In the profile option, if you click on your name, you can see your personal details. Coming to the logout part, if you want to exit this portal, you can click on this logout option. Here, we can also find the notification symbol. Any new notification unaddressed will be displayed here. Now I am going to show you how to attempt an exam in this platform. First, go to My Tests, click on it, then you will see a drop-down list of all the types of exams you have access to. Select any one type of exam. Here I am choosing SBI Clerk Prelims. Then you have many tests to choose from this particular type. Now you can scroll up or down to choose any one test, or if you already have particular test in mind, you can type it in the search bar to access it. Now click on Start Test to start the exam. You will be directed to Instructions page. This new feature is not available in the old platform. This is created to resemble the final exam pattern. Clicking Next here will direct you to few more instructions, language selection and checkbox to start the exam. Select the checkbox and click on I am ready to begin to directly start the exam. Compared to old platform, 3 major changes are provided here. Number 1, full screen option, which will enables you to enter full screen. Number 2, mouse scrolling function. This option is disabled, and instead of mouse scrolling function, scroll bar is used to see the whole page, same as in final exams. Number 3, submit section. This option is not there in old interface. Some students may complete the section in 15 minutes, but with sectional timing, they had to wait for the other 5 minutes. So, section submit is provided to not waste your time. If you click on submit section, you can move on to next section. As a sample, we can attempt some questions. After answering all the questions, if you click on Submit section, you will be directed to a new page. Here you can see a detailed table on subject-wise attempts. Below the table, you can see a line, "Do you want to submit the online exam?" If you press yes, the exam will be submitted. After submission, you will be directed to a new page where you can see the overall score and brief record of the submitted test. On the right side, there is another option called scorecard. In the previous interface, there is no mention of total attempted candidates. If you click on scorecard option, it will display total candidates attempted, your rank and percentile. Next, subject report. If you click on this, you can see here section-wise attempts, percentage, time per section analytics. If you scroll down, you can even go through subject-wise individual analysis. Next, solution report. If you click on this, a new page of solution panel with section-wise answered questions will open with right and wrong identifications. Here, another additional feature is bookmark. While you are checking solution report, if you felt a question tricky, you can click on bookmark and store it in bookmark option. Question report. If you click on it, you can see question-wise key, correct attempts, time per individual question spent, and best time spent on this question by someone else. Compare yourself. If you click on this, you can see a detailed chart of comparison of your score with others and yourself to check your progress over a period of time. On the left side, if you can see the bookmark option, the questions selected before are stored here. In My Tests option, you also have access to BLD, breakfast, lunch, dinner exams. This particular exam is time sensitive with only 24 hours validity. If you miss these exams within the allotted time, then they will be moved to Missed tab of My Test option. Next, documents. PDFs provided by IACE like monthly current affairs, weekly current affairs will be stored here. Next, notifications. Any notifications from IACE are stored here. Mobile apps. We have two mobile apps, Android and iOS. If you click on Android option, you will be directed to Play Store. And for iOS, you will be directed to Apple Store to download the mobile app. This mobile app will be available in the coming days. This is all about IACE's new online platform. After 2 years of hard work, this platform is launched to make you feel that you are writing the exam in the official IBPS website. So please utilize this opportunity, attempt the mock tests, prepare well, and get selected in the job. In the description of this video, there is a Google form link provided below. If you are already an IACE student, please click on that link, fill the form with the same email ID and phone number you registered with us and submit it. Then you will receive a mail from IACE with your new login ID and password to access the new platform within 3 to 5 working days. Then you can follow this video to access this new platform. Thank you and all the best.